it was. May you want to have it?
Yes!
Okay.
Thank you! Oh!
Part 1. People believe it. It's not. It's only 50 cents. Don't tell her.
La 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 la. Please, 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 can I have your book?
Can I have the book? Never come back.
Well, I'm not really poor anyway, so sucked into her.